This is my quiz that I set up through Quizlet.com. So if you go here, this allows a student who is trying to learn and or study for a test. They can create their five. Well, I did five here, but they can create their definitions and questions here. So, like, example, which definition defines freedom best? Then there's your options, and then C is your answer. So you can go to these different programs within it, such as Learn. You can create flashcards. You can it'll spell it out for you, and then also you can go to tests here. So if you want to go to tests, you can have there's written questions, multiple choice. So let's do one of the multiple choice. Which terrorist organization was responsible for 9/11? It'd be Al Qaeda is the right answer, so it'd be A. So you'd click A. And eventually you'd go through here and answer all them. So once you're done with that, you click check answer. So right after this, it gives you instant feedback on your answers you got. So the one I answered, oh, I got it correct. So that's the one I got correct that I answered. And then it gives you your grade here and shows you like your answers and instant feedback, which is super helpful when you're trying to learn and or study for a test. So if you go back here, another one you can do is just flashcards, where that'd be an extreme form that's supposed to be marked by feeling superiority over the country. So you click spacebar. Okay, that's nationalism. And then you can click the next button and go to the next card. So this is a program that I set up that is the quiz and study assessment tool.